Hello there, crafty community. I come bearing fall projects. I haven't posted in a very long time. It's really been a while, and I feel like I often say that, but this time, big promise, that's gonna change because I'm in my winter arc era. So consistency is the theme for this winter arc mindset. If you're interested in knowing what a winter arc is, you're like, what the hell is that? Let me know in the comments and I can make a video all about it. But today's video is gonna be about the projects that I'm gonna do during this season. And maybe I am hopeful that I will finish all these things before the winter comes. And I think my expectations are high. Fingers crossed that I get to finish all this during the fall, but if not, it's okay. I'll redo a video of winter projects when the winter comes, but I think you can get some really good ideas from these two. So without further ado, let's get started, because people don't like watching more than 5 seconds nowadays. But okay, for starters, I'm gonna show you this one that I already started, and it's called a balaclava. I first thought it was called baklava, but turns out that baklava is a Turkish candy, I think. I don't remember which country it's from, but it's a candy. It's not thing that I'm trying to knit. I'm actually making a video about learning how to knit with cable needles, because this craft is not for the weak. Let me tell you, the times that I have done and undone this project are countless, and I'm not kidding when I say that. I lost count. It's probably over 10 times that I had to just pull the entire thing off, kill the project. Now I just gave up. It has some mistakes. In Spanish there's a saying like tiene su chiste, like it has its own trick. You could translate something like that. But yeah, this is a serious deal. Cable knitting really is not for anyone. You have to be really patient. I honestly surprised myself, because I thought I was gonna get sick of it and be like, I give up. But no, I'm committed to this project, and as you can see, it looks really cool, and it's gonna be like an light olive green, and I'm excited about that. I'll post a video of the learn how to knit with me with cable needles. That's a long title, but I'll post a video of me learning how to use these and my experience soon, so stay tuned for that. Now for the next project, I have here my yarn bag. It's my mom's actually. It's not a craft bag, but it's a handcrafted bag from Mexico. We got it here. I'm from Mexico, in case you didn't know. But anyway, next I have this soft fluffy yarn. I love it. I just saw the color and I was like, I want it. I had no idea what I bought it for, but it's getting cold where I live, so I might as well make a scarf, perhaps with needles. I think it's gonna be with needles, because since I'm learning to knit, I want to get more into it and create more projects using needles. So yeah, this is gonna be a scarf or perhaps a beanie. Still haven't decided. I think it's good for both, and I also see potential for a bag. I think it will look really cute on a bag. I'm still undecided, but I think it will look cute on either of those three. I hope that was well said. Look at it, it's so cute. It's like a, I don't know color tones. The names, I don't know the exact names of colors, but it's like a grape purple, if you know what I mean. It's really cute. It's very soft. This one I already started, and it's a scarf. It's gonna be a round scarf, and as you can see, I'm knitting it. I get confused sometimes translating the word knitting, because in Spanish, knitting is, that was horribly said. Knitting is also considered crochet, because people in my country don't really say like, oh, I'm gonna crochet. It's not as common yet. It's common among people my age, or Gen Z's, but even that way the hair is more common, which would be knitting. Back to the video. Yeah, I'm making this scarf. I think I started this one since January. I honestly don't know. I have a bag full of yarn, some used, some no. All of the yarn that I have in my bag is probably scraps, leftovers. Let's just leave it at that. That I have yet to use, but I can buy new yarn because, you know, it's so cool, so pretty. When I see it, it's like I want to do so many things, and I have so many project ideas for this season. I just hope to have the time to be able to finish them all, you know? If you're a crafter like me, which is why you probably clicked on this video, you know that you want to create a lot of the things that you see on the internet, especially Pinterest. Pinterest is a great place for inspiration, and you know, when you see it, you're like, I want to do that, and you start saving everything on your on your boards, and then you get the materials, and it's like, okay, this is gonna take time, and you have to finish it all. So this is one of my already ongoing projects that I'm committed to finish, because that's a goal of mine, you know, finish the projects that I start this year, well, what's left of this year. So it's only gonna need a little bit more. I think oh, it could also be a hat, now that I look at it. I think I'm gonna make it a hat, you know? Looks cool. I like the tone. It's actually pretty similar to a hat that I just saw on Pinterest, well, a beanie, and it's perfect because I don't have hats, and it's really getting cold out here. So never mind, it's gonna be a hat, and the scarf is gonna be with the purple yarn. Thank you, video. I just realized it's the perfect hat. Yeah, so it's gonna look really cute. If you're watching this and you have any yarn organization suggestions, please let me know in the comments, because my goodness, my yarn bag is a mess. If you saw it, you would be like, okay, yeah, this is a disaster. I have unfinished projects, yarn scraps, leftover balls of yarn that I haven't used, and I keep buying yarn, my people. I need to finish the yarns that I have. If I don't know what to do with them, but it's all a whirlwind of mess and yarn and hooks, and I don't know how to organize it properly. So if you have any tips, maybe you're thinking like, Sabrina, it's pretty obvious, you just have to get a box and do blah 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 blah. I don't know, whatever you do, just let me know, because I don't have time to think about yarn organization, because I do a lot of projects in my life. So if you have any tips, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Another project that I hopefully will execute this fall, which I've had in mind for like 4 months now, is using old jeans or jeans that I don't like anymore to create yarn and design a bag such as these. I think it looks really cool, and it's also a great way to upcycle ugly jeans or old jeans, or honestly any kind of clothes. I found really helpful videos on TikTok where they show you how you can make yarn from jeans, well, yarn, and also a YouTube video. I'm gonna leave all those in the description below if you're interested in creating yarn with your jeans. If there's something you have to know about me, is that I love bags, you know, shoulder bags, tote bags. I think those are my two favorites. Shoulder bags and tote bags, I love them. So I'm gonna make a bag with this. If you want to watch the process and how I cut the jeans and then make the yarn and then the bag, let me know in the comments, and I will gladly do it, because I'm in my crafty thriving era. For my last project, I'm gonna use these pants that they are absolutely cute to me, but the fit is awful. My sister says that these make it look as if you were wearing a diaper, so who wants that? No one. And I'm sorry to cut them, but they honestly look horrible. So with these, I'm gonna make kind of like an upcycled patch slash quilted tote bag. I'm gonna use a tote bag that I already have, and I embroidered, but the embroidery turned out ugly, so I'm gonna remove the embroidery and then cut shapes of this fabric and embroider them on the tote bag to cover the other project. I think it looks really cool. Maybe I will try that as well with a hoodie, you know, the quilting. I think it's considered quilting. Now that I think about it, I could make a video for each one of the projects if you want me to. I would have fun doing that. Maybe not all of them, but a lot of them I can make videos for the process and, you know, my experience doing them. If you want that, let me know in the comments. Before we finish the video, I just want to say that I'm really excited to start these projects because it's been a while since I actually dedicated myself to doing something crafty. I was focused on, you know, other aspects of life, but I feel being creative, it's a crucial part of life because you let out your creativity, your imagination, and it's fun, you know, when you see something that used to be just a string become a hat or something else. It's really cool. It's a really cool feeling. Yeah, if you craft, you know what I'm talking about. It feels really cool. If you want to stay tuned to see what I create and other cool videos, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And before now I truly wrap up this video, I just wanted to let you know that I recently started a newsletter which you can subscribe to. The link's gonna be here, or if you have a Substack account, my username is gonna be here and the name of the, I was gonna say podcast, of the newsletter. I also have a podcast which you can also find in my Substack newsletter, and feel free to subscribe. I really think you will like it because I talk a lot about anything and everything, and I'm a yapper, so I cringe saying that. I love talking, let's just say that instead. So feel free to subscribe to those as well as here on the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you around there and here on YouTube. So until the next one.